Heck, I've been meaning to cover this meme for about a year. Every time I think it's dead, it ends up coming back more powerful than ever. The surreal humour here is strong, and it's also worth mentioning the fact that poop humour has been huge in meme culture lately. Quagmire turning into a toilet premiered on the Family Guy episode Baby Got Black from Season 12, Episode 18. In this episode, Peter and his friends make a bet to see who can stay awake the longest, causing them to have hallucinations and Peter to imagine his friend Quagmire anamorphing into a toilet. As 2019 rolled around, however, the image of Quagmire turning into a toilet truly began to explode with the modern memescape as Reddit user PsychMemes coupled Quagmire with a Skyrim text parody on March 12, 2019. Then, YouTuber Meme Boys made several edits of the meme in mid-2019, but the one that stuck had the backing track Paralyzer by Finger 11. Now, if you used YouTube from 2007 to 2010, you would remember Paralyzer as a track that goes hand in hand with unregistered hypercam and 240p YouTube tutorials, because for a while it was totally one of those songs that everyone used, especially on Halo 3 montages. It could be argued that the memes hit so hard because being a toilet is definitely something Quagmire from Family Guy would enjoy, and coupled with Paralyzer, the shitpost suddenly has a nostalgic feel. You could totally imagine someone from 2007 posting a Family Guy video with Paralyzer as the backing track. The song creates the feeling that something cool is meant to be happening on screen, but instead our expectations are subverted with the image of a human being transforming into a gross toilet. This is also perhaps a mirror of modern day Family Guy. The show is way past its prime, and continues to make formulaic jokes that rely heavily on cutaway gags or shock factor. This is exactly the same with the Quagmire toilet, except the meme is intentionally terrible and makes light of itself while remaining unpredictable, whilst it could be argued that the modern Family Guy only makes light of itself. It is here that the meme gets even deeper. In the show, Quagmire is shown as a disgusting, sex-crazed man that often date rapes women. However, this stuff is played for laughs, and after a while it tends to get kind of difficult to like a character that, whilst goofy, is kind of a massive creep. As a result, memes that show Quagmire turning into a toilet mirror and demonstrate how Family Guy has become on par with an edgy 2007 to 2010 YouTube tutorial in terms of quality. Essentially, the surreal shitposting aspect of the meme, coupled with the popular YouTube tutorial song Paralyzer by Finger 11, gives this meme a nuanced flavour that far outstrips Family Guy in terms of quality and niche humour. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.